Welcome to the new lecture of Digital Logic Design. In last lecture, we discussed about the decoders. We discussed 2 to 4 decoder and 3 to 8 decoder. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the encoders. So let's begin. So encoder, the function of the encoder is opposite of the decoder. Encoder is a combinational logic circuit which converts the active input signals into the coded output signal. So, in encoder we have multiple inputs and we have multiple outputs. So, our input will be 1, 2 up to the n, and our output will be 1, 2 up to the n. Now, in encoders, our input will be 2 raised to n. So in encoders, our input will be 2 raised to n and output will be n. So maximum number of output will be n and our input can be 2 to n. So this function is known as this kind of combinational logic circuit is known as encoders. So let's begin with the first example of encoder, which is a 4 to 2 encoder. So as we can see in a block diagram that we have 4 inputs D0, D1, D2 and D3, and we have 2 outputs named as A and a B. Now let's say truth table of this 4 to 2 encoder. So this is our 4 to 2 encoder and this is a truth table of the 4 to 2 encoder. So we have 4 inputs D0 to D3 and we have 2 outputs A and B. So the input is same as the output of the decoder. So D0, D1, D2 and D3 instance will be high in the diagonal form, and when our inputs are 101, sorry, if our inputs are 1000, then our output will be 00. If our input are 0100, then output will be 0 and 1. If our input combination is 0010, then output will be 10. And if our input combination is 0001, then output will be 1 and 1. Both output will be high. So as per the truth table, we can write the Boolean equation for A and for B. So for A, Boolean equation is D3 plus D2, and for B, Boolean equation is D3 plus D1. So let's verify this. So for the first instance, D3 plus D2, so D3 and D2 both are 0, so A is 0. For the second instance, both are 0, so A is 0. And third instance, it is 1, 0, so it will be 1. And for the next instance, it is a 0, 1, so this is equal to 1. So the first, this is A and this is a B. So based on this Boolean equations, we can draw the simple diagram. We have 4 inputs, and for the first one, we have a Boolean equation as a D3 plus D2. So D3 plus D2, and for the second instance our Boolean equation is D3 plus D1. Here you have to note that the line D0 is not used in any kind of output for the encoders. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the 8 to 3 encoder. Thank you.